Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's tackle a blocked drain scenario with muddy water gushing from a badly broken pipe. This is a common plumbing emergency, and it's essential to address it quickly and safely. This tutorial will guide you through the steps, focusing on safety, diagnosis, temporary solutions, and finally, a hypothetical code example assuming you're trying to implement a sensor-based system to detect and report such leaks. Understanding the problem and safety first. The situation a blocked drain has created back pressure, leading to a pipe fracture. The fracture is allowing muddy water to escape, indicating a potential combination of blockage within the pipe and external soil contamination. Safety precautions, absolutely critical. Electricity. Water and electricity are a deadly combination. Before you do anything else, check if any electrical wiring is near the broken pipe or the water source. If so, immediately turn off the relevant circuit breaker at your electrical panel. If you're unsure, turn off the main breaker. Don't risk electrocution. Water pressure. The escaping water may be under pressure. Be prepared for a potential surge when you initially approach the leak. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from spray. Contamination. Muddy water can contain bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants. Wear gloves, rubber or nitrile, to protect your skin. Avoid direct contact with the water. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after any contact. Structural integrity. A broken pipe, especially if it's a main drain line, can weaken the surrounding structure. Be cautious about walking near the affected area. Avoid putting weight on potentially unstable ground. Gas lines. Be extra careful if the drain line is near a gas line. Disturbing the ground near a gas line could cause a dangerous leak. If you suspect a gas leak, smell of rotten eggs, evacuate the area immediately and call your gas company from a safe location. Sharp objects. Be alert for sharp edges on the broken pipe, debris, or other hazards in the water. 2. Initial assessment and damage control. 1. Identify the source. Determine which drain is likely blocked. Is it a toilet, sink, shower, or a main drain line? The location of the leak can help narrow down the source of the problem. Look for obvious signs of the blockage, such as overflowing fixtures or slow drainage. Check clean-out plugs. These are typically located near the base of drain stacks or in basements. 2. Stop the flow, if possible. Turn off the water supply. This is the most important step. Locate the main water shut-off valve for your home. It's usually near the water meter or where the water line enters the house. Turn it off completely. This will stop the flow of water to the broken pipe. Individual fixtures. If the break is downstream of a specific fixture, example a sink, try turning off the shut-off valves under that fixture first. This will isolate the problem. If you can't find the shut-off valve or it's not working, call a plumber immediately. Time is of the essence. 3. Contain the spill. Use towels, buckets, plastic sheeting, or anything you have available to contain the escaping water and minimize damage to your property. Direct the water away from sensitive areas, such as electrical outlets, appliances, or finished flooring. 4. Document the damage. Take pictures and videos of the broken pipe, the escaping water, and any damage that has already occurred. This documentation will be crucial for insurance claims. 3. Temporary solutions, while waiting for a plumber. Clearing the blockage. handle with extreme caution. Only attempt this if you feel comfortable and safe doing so. Remember that the broken pipe complicates the situation. Aggressive methods could worsen the break. Plunger. If the blockage seems to be in a toilet or sink, try using a plunger. Make sure there's enough water in the fixture to cover the cup of the plunger. Use firm, steady strokes. Do not use a plunger if there's a chance the broken pipe could cause water to spray towards you when pressure is applied. Auger, snake. A plumbing auger, snake, is a flexible tool that can be inserted into drain pipes to break up or retrieve blockages. Use caution when using an auger near a broken pipe. You could make the break worse. Insert the auger carefully and rotate it as you push it forward. If you encounter resistance, try to break up the blockage or hook it and pull it out. Chemical drain cleaners. Avoid using chemical drain cleaners in this situation. They can be corrosive and may damage the broken pipe further. They are also environmentally unfriendly. Plus, the broken pipe can create a danger of the chemicals splashing on you. Wet/dry vacuum. A wet/dry vacuum cleaner can be used to suck up standing water and debris. However, do not use it on electrical components. Patching the pipe, temporary. This is only a temporary fix to reduce the flow of water while you wait for a plumber. Pipe repair tape. Special pipe repair tape can be wrapped around the broken section of the pipe to temporarily seal it. Make sure the pipe is clean and dry before applying the tape. Wrap the tape tightly and overlap the layers. Rubber sheet and clamps. Wrap a piece of rubber sheeting, example a bicycle inner tube, around the break and secure it with hose clamps or pipe clamps. This will provide some pressure to seal the leak. Epoxy putty. Some epoxy putties are designed for pipe repair. Clean the area around the break, mix the putty according to the instructions, and apply it to the break. Allow it to cure completely before turning the water back on. Be aware, this is highly unlikely to work with water actively gushing. 4. Calling a professional plumber. This situation almost always requires a professional plumber. Here's why. Expertise. Plumbers have the knowledge and experience to diagnose the root cause of the blockage and repair the broken pipe properly. Tools. They have specialized tools, such as drain snakes, pipe cutters, and welding equipment, to handle complex plumbing repairs. Materials. They have access to a variety of pipe materials and fittings to ensure a lasting repair. Safety. They are trained to work safely with plumbing systems and avoid hazards such as electrical shock and exposure to contaminants. Code compliance. They are familiar with local plumbing codes and regulations. Insurance. A licensed and insured plumber provides liability protection in case of unforeseen issues. When calling a plumber, be prepared to describe the situation in detail, including the location of the broken pipe, the type of pipe, example PVC, copper, cast iron, the extent of the damage, whether you have turned off the water supply, any steps you have already taken to address the problem. Hypothetical code example, leak detection system. Let's imagine you want to create a simple sensor-based system to detect leaks like this. This is a conceptual example using Python and a hypothetical sensor library. This is for demonstration purposes only and would need to be adapted for a real-world application with specific hardware and networking considerations. Explanation. 1. Import libraries. We import hypothetical libraries for sensor interaction and notification services. In a real application, you'd use actual libraries for your specific hardware, example RPI.GPIO for Raspberry Pi, or libraries for Arduino or other microcontrollers, and notification services, example Symplib for email, Twilio for SMS. 2. Configuration * water sensor pin and mud sensor pin, define the GPIO pins, or sensor addresses, that are connected to your water and mud sensors. Water threshold and mud threshold, set threshold values for the sensors. You'll need to calibrate these based on the specific sensors you use and the typical readings in a dry environment. The threshold is the sensor value that signals a leak. 3. Initialization * water sensor equals sensor library water sensor, water sensor pin, creates an instance of the water sensor object, passing in the pin number. Notifier equals notification service notifier, configures a notification service to send alerts. 4. Main loop * while true, the program runs continuously, monitoring the sensors. Water level equals water sensor read level, reads the current water level from the sensor. This might return an analog value, example 0 to 1023, or a digital value, depending on the sensor. If water level water threshold and mud level threshold, checks if the water level exceeds the threshold and if the mud level also exceeds its threshold. The mud level check adds a layer of validation since it is muddy water that is expected to be leaking. This helps reduce false positives from normal water spills. Notifier.send email, and notifier.send SMS, sends an email and SMS notification to the specified recipients. Time.sleep, 5, pauses the program for 5 seconds before the next sensor reading. 5. Error handling *. Try, except, finally, handles potential errors, example sensor failures, network problems, and ensures that the sensor resources are cleaned up properly when the program exits. Important considerations for the code example *. Sensor selection * the right sensor is critical. Consider these options. Water leak detectors * these are readily available sensors that detect the presence of water. They often have two exposed leads that close a circuit when water bridges them. Water level sensors * these measure the height of the water. They can be ultrasonic, pressure-based, or float-based. Soil moisture sensors * these measure the moisture content in the soil. They could be used to detect muddy water leakage. Flow sensors * installed in the pipe, they detect unexpected flow when no fixture is in use. Sensor placement * strategic sensor placement is essential for accurate detection. Place sensors in locations where leaks are most likely to occur, such as near pipe joints, fittings, and vulnerable areas. Consider placing sensors near the floor or in drip pans. Calibration * calibrate the sensors carefully to ensure that they provide accurate readings. Establish baseline values and set appropriate thresholds for leak detection. Power and connectivity * consider how the sensor system will be powered, battery, AC adapter, and how it will connect to the network, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, cellular. Real-world libraries * replace the placeholder sensor library and notification service with actual libraries that are compatible with your chosen hardware and notification services. Example, Raspberry Pi and IFT * you could use the RPI.GPIO library to interface with GPIO pins on a Raspberry Pi and IFT, if this then that, to trigger notifications based on sensor readings. False positives * implement measures to reduce false positives. This could involve using multiple sensors, filtering sensor data, or adding logic to confirm a leak before sending a notification. Asterisk power outages. Asterisk add functionality to handle power outages. A battery backup system could be implemented to keep the system running for a certain period. You could also add code to send a notification when power is restored. Asterisk maintenance. Asterisk schedule regular maintenance to inspect the sensors and ensure that they are functioning properly. Replace batteries as needed. 6. Prevention. Asterisk regular inspections. Asterisk inspect your plumbing system regularly for signs of leaks, corrosion, or damage. Pay close attention to pipe joints, fittings, and areas where pipes pass through walls or floors. Asterisk address minor leaks promptly. Asterisk repair even minor leaks immediately to prevent them from escalating into major problems. Asterisk proper drainage. Asterisk ensure that gutters and downspouts are functioning properly to direct water away from your foundation. Asterisk insulate pipes. Asterisk insulate pipes in unheated areas to prevent them from freezing and bursting during cold weather. Asterisk avoid flushing foreign objects. Asterisk do not flush foreign objects down toilets or drains, as this can cause blockages. Asterisk professional plumbing maintenance. Asterisk schedule regular plumbing maintenance with a licensed plumber. They can identify and address potential problems before they become emergencies. This comprehensive guide should help you understand how to handle a blocked drain situation with a broken pipe and provide a basic framework for a leak detection system. Remember that safety is paramount, and when in doubt, always call a professional plumber. Good luck.